Usually when I mention the fact that I turned my YouTube channel into a sales page and I optimized it for sales, I usually get asked, how exactly did you do that? So today I'm going to give you the exact steps that I took to turn my YouTube channel into a sales page. If you're new here, by the way, hi, my name is Catara Lane. I am a video editor and YouTube strategist. I help business owners build personal brands on YouTube so they can make more sales. First, let's talk about the importance of creating a series of videos. Instead of making random standalone videos, I created series that people were actually searching for. I focused on creating content that was a part of a cohesive series that people were actually searching for. This allows me to stay focused on one thing at a time and create content for one topic, allowing me to create it faster because I'm already sort of, in that groove of creating that content. And it's keeping YouTube happy because I'm creating bingeable content for people to watch. And it's keeping them on the platform. Now, I actually created a video on how I find the topics that people are actually searching for on vidIQ. And I'll link it in the video around here somewhere. Next, I made sure that all of my links on my profile were clickable. Emphasis on clickable, because sometimes people have links, but they are not clickable, nor are they easy to find. If you are looking to get more traffic to your website or your page, this is probably the most important thing that I can say today, is making sure that you are easy to find. You don't want to have to make it hard for people to pay you or find out more information about your business. And YouTube gives you plenty of opportunities to do this. You can do it in your channel description box, making sure you put the links in the actual link section and not in the description, because if you put them in the description, they won't link, and I'll show you how to do this. So to customize your channel's description box, as in like this part right here, and actually add the links to make sure they are clickable, you're going to want to go to your YouTube studio and then go into customization, and then in basic info, this is where you'll be able to do that at. So this is where you add your description. You can change the at. And the most important part, this is where you'll be able to add your links. If you add the links in your description box right here, it won't be clickable. But if you make sure you add it in the links part, and make sure you put HTTPS in front of it, because YouTube doesn't recognize the link as a link unless it has this here. Make sure all of your links are right here. The next is putting the links in every single video description box that you do. And there actually is an easy way to do this. I'll show you how to do that as well. So to make sure your YouTube channel has all the same links every single time you upload, so you don't have to continuously put them in there again and again, what you're going to want to do is go to your YouTube studio again, and then you can go to settings, and then you can go to upload defaults. And in upload defaults, you go to basic info, and you're able to sort of put all of your links here, as well as your tags. And every single time you upload a video, these links will be here, so you don't have to add your links every single time you post a new video, and you just have to customize the description of the actual video. Another way is by using pinned comments. I don't do this to every video, but if it's a really popular video and you see that YouTube is pushing the video, you can put the link to your website in the pinned comment, and you can pin your comment with your website in that first comment. And then another way you can do this is cards and end screens. If you have that first level of monetization, you're able to put your links on your end screens and in cards, and you're able to sort of like put the link in the video so people can click on it. The next thing that I did was organize playlists. So with these series that I was creating, I was organizing the playlists. Playlist helps guide the viewer through your content in a structured way, warming them up to your content, and again, keeping them on the platform and making YouTube happy. So you can create playlists based on themes. For me, I create series and group them in that way. You can do them in sequential order. So if it's like a part 1, part 2, part 3 sort of thing, you can do it that way. And then you can also make playlist descriptions. So when you are creating this playlist and putting them on your channel, make sure you're writing a short description, or long if you want to, about what they are actually for, because these playlists can actually show up in search as well as your videos. Like the whole playlist can show up in search when someone's searching for these specific topics that you're talking about. And then what you do with these playlists in these series is you actually organize your YouTube homepage to have these series and these playlists on there, because if you don't do this, then YouTube is just going to put the for you thing, so like the videos that YouTube thinks the viewer want to watch, or they're just going to put maybe like your most recent videos on there. But if you go into your YouTube settings and organize the playlist and put them on your homepage, then people can go through your videos in a more structured way. And again, I'll show you how to do this. And then last thing, how you're actually going to create these playlists and add them to your channel. So if you haven't already started creating playlists for your channel, you can literally just go up here and just do new playlists. You can do the title, the description, and then you can add whatever videos you want to that playlist. Or once you upload your new video content, then you can actually, make the new playlist as you're uploading. So you could either make a new playlist or adding to it an existing one. And how you actually add this to your channel is you go again to customization, you go to featured sections, and then here you can add the sections. You go to single playlists, and then you select whatever playlist you want, and then you can sort of order which playlist you want to be on your channel. So let's say I wanted my personal branding playlist to go up here. Then, yeah. Or but I usually keep this playlist up here at the top. And you can sort of put what playlist people see first and which one they see last. And as you can see here, this is the how you can work with me playlist down here. And then I also have a welcome to my YouTube channel video, and returning viewers, they automatically see one of my BSLs, which is in the how you can work with me video. And then I'll show you how this actually looks on my channel. How these playlists actually look on my channel is, as you can see here, they're all shown in this specific order that I put it in, letting people go through it rather easily. By doing this, you're putting viewers in an easy to navigate funnel, funneling them to your website or wherever you're wanting them to go. And then on top of this, the last thing that I do is I have a playlist series at the very end, or the very bottom rather, of my channel that just has a work with me section that has a few of my video sales letters. It has one for my course, my membership program, and also my production services. So that's all in this little section at the bottom, and it says work with me, and they're able to navigate down there to see about how I can help them further. And that is how I turned my YouTube channel into a sales page. By being super strategic on the platform, creating a series of engaging, searchable videos, making sure all of my links were clickable and easy to find. And by doing this, I was able to increase sales and leads to my website, all within 6 months of posting to YouTube. If you're looking to get your business here on YouTube so you can get more leads to your business or make more sales, click the link below to my website or the book a call button, and let's talk about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.